Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararya YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on battery saver on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so if your cell phone battery is running low and you don't have a charger with you, so don't worry guys, because you can activate the battery saver. And this time I will show you two tips to turn on the battery saver easily. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial guys. Alright, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can swipe down on the home screen to go to the control center, and then now you can activate battery saver like this. And then the second tips, now you can go to the settings menu first, and then now you can scroll down and go to battery. And then now you can click the current mode, and then you can switch to ultra battery saver. And then the difference is that Ultra Battery Saver is used to support and improve the performance of your cell phone and minimize battery drain. So we can only use a few applications when Ultra Battery Saver is activated. And so yeah, you can quit to turn off the Ultra Battery Saver. Alright guys, here's the tutorial and thank you so much.